so close to my heart. I won't deny what they're saying because most of it is true. But it was all before I fell for you. So please, babe, so please don't judge me. And I won't judge you, 'cause it can get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me. I won't judge you. And if you love me, then let it be beautiful. 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 Every time I start asking me questions like, was she attractive? Was she an actress? Maybe the fact is you're hearing rumors about me. I saw some pictures online saying they got you so angry, making you wish you were right. Before we start talking crazy, saying some things will be right. Can't we just slow it down and rest and say, so please don't judge me. I won't, 'cause it's getting ugly.
Olulisele 10 tingimuste tähendab teie tantsukooli. Nüüd aga